how do you stay motivated learning languages? I would answer, I don't, because motivation actually it's a big lie, and it just comes and go away like a weather. And what really give good results and good progress, I talk about it like if we will look at the progress of my students, this is our teeny steps or our small habits that we can do every day, something what is really small but super effective. And I will give you 5 ideas what you can do. And the first one, just start for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You can listen to the song and read translation. You can repeat the words that you learned yesterday. You can do a small exercise. If you will start your action, it's always very hard for our brain just to start, and then you have two ways. First, you will start and you will continue because okay, we'll see, okay, something interesting, I will work maybe for 10 minutes more and then half of an hour. Or second one, you will practice for these 2 minutes, it's also better than nothing. For example, if you will review the words, yeah. For example, if you will practice even, okay, in Duolingo, you will refresh your vocabulary. Maybe in 6 months, you will be able to read super simple children's books. Who knows? So set an alarm, 2 minutes of Russian on your phone. Second idea. Turn your home into a Russian classroom. So you can just use stickers. I always give this advice to my students, and just put it on the fridge, on the table, everywhere in your room. And you even don't need to spend time learning language. You will just learn it, it will just be learned itself. Very useful idea. Actually, this is how I passed my exam, my history exam, when I prepared for the university. I just used the list of dates, and every time I had breakfast or lunch, I saw it and memorized. What also you can do, you can change the language on your phone. Also, I give this advice because yes, it will irritate you for first days, but then you will read notifications in Russian without any help, and you will memorize actually maybe 100-200 words. Then third one, still 15 minutes from your commute, when you go home, when you go to the university, work. Especially if you can drive your car, you can listen to the podcast and repeat everything, even with gestures, even better with the intonations. You can repeat the words out loud. Yeah, in metro maybe it will sound strange. No, okay, you can do it quietly if you use public transport. Also, very good start of the day, I think, super productive. And every day, if you do this for 15 minutes, very good. It will give you also good progress. So you can download, for example, 3 short dialogues, listen to it every day, and you will just memorize it. And when you will talk with Russians, you will just use this knowledge because something what we repeat a lot, and then if you will also practice it, it will also give you good result. Then 1 sentence journal. What you do, you write just 1 sentence every day in the evening. In the evening, you just talk about your day. Okay, first time maybe your sentence will be super simple, but later your sentence will look more and more deep, interesting, and in the end of the year you will see, okay, how much I learned, because in the beginning this one was so complicated for me, and now I can make such a big and interesting complex sentence. This is just 1 sentence before you go to sleep. This one I really love. It helped me with my English, 5 minutes teaching someone. For example, your cat, or anyone who will agree, maybe your wife, your child. Actually, when we explain something, some information, it really works very, very good. It really helps you to structure the information when you explain it. You can see your mistakes also when you do this, and it really helps to organize your thoughts. It works super good, guys. Just try, really. 5 minutes teaching your cat after the dinner. My students also invite sometimes their pets for classes, so I always agree, let's learn Russian together. So look at these habits. Nothing requires hours of study. Sure, I don't promise you that you will speak after this, yeah. But anyway, if you already study Russian, yeah, you have some study process, you can add these small steps, and this is what not requires a lot of time but really helps. Most important, you do this regularly. Okay, this is our secret to any process. First weeks maybe we don't see such big results, but after months you will see it. And if you wanna speak Russian, if you need someone to practice with, someone who will correct your sentences to practice Russian, I give individual online classes. If you plan to travel to Russia, if you have a Russian girlfriend, if you need Russian for work, you can contact me. All the links will be in description to this video. I wish you a wonderful day. Have a good day. See you soon.